One of the improvements to the user interface in 3D Coat recently is the addition of search functionality within the various asset panels. Allow me to demonstrate. I'm here in the Sculpt workspace, and if I were to go to something like the Brush Alphas palette or Shaders panel, then what I can do is search for a particular asset by going to the top of the panel and clicking on the search icon. I can click on that and choose, let's say, leather. And it will show me all the entries for leather within this subfolder. Okay, so it really depends on the subfolder that you're currently in. If I go to JAMA Clay, there is no leather. But I can go to other subfolders and it will still try to search for leather in that respective subfolder. So let's change that. And let's look for metal. So I can see there is no entry for metal in any of the shader names within this subfolder. Okay, but again, I can go elsewhere and I can see metal in that subfolder. Okay, let's go to miscellaneous. Okay, I see one with metal in it. Paint, polymer, refractive, tune, volume. Let's go back to the default. And now we can see a variety of different shaders that have the text metal within the name. Let's try a different entry, but this time let's go to the Brush Alphas panel and I have searched for skin the same way. And I'm in a third-party pack subfolder and it's showing me all the entries for skin within that third-party pack or that subfolder. But once more, I can just quickly search for skin in other subfolders. And we can do the same thing in the Paint workspace. I'm going to bring up the Smart Materials panel. Normally I can access it here from the activity bar, and that's fine, but I'm going to bring up the panel and I'm going to dock it here. And maybe I want to look for a skin texture to paint onto this model. I can search again, skin, and there's nothing in the default folder, but again, I can look elsewhere. And each time I click on a subfolder, I will see all the files that have skin represented in its name. And with that, we will conclude this quick look at using the search functionality in 3D Coat's user interface. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.